Hi, I am Archie, and I was in a 1.5-year relationship, and it was with someone who was struggling with his mental health a lot. Initially, when we got together, it was difficult for him to accept the love that I was giving, and I had a lot of love to give to him. We laughed on jokes a lot, we cracked jokes, we got each other humor, and it was the happiest I've ever been with another person. It was the most seen I've ever felt. It was the most understood I've ever felt. It felt like I have met my twin, and it was the best relationship of my life. Till the very end, I was very sure of him. Till the very end, he was very sure of me. But it just wasn't working out because when every day you're struggling and spiraling to the point that you have grown so distant that it feels like you just don't connect with that person anymore, with someone that you feel like they were your twin, it's the end, I suppose. It's been difficult trying to make sense of how to deal with this because when you have recognized that the person you're with isn't good for you and they are not worth your time or energy or efforts, it's very easy to let go because hey, I deserve better. But when you know that the person tried their best and they loved you deeply, and when you know they were very genuine and it was just not in their hands, it's not easy. Struggle with mental health, it's not easy. And it wasn't easy either choosing myself because even though he made me the happiest I've ever been, he also made me the saddest. So, yeah, it wasn't easy. The breakup wasn't messy, the breakup wasn't angry. It was just painful and sad. It was not easy letting go of each other. It was not easy accepting that, hey, someone that you were making dreams of your future with, someone that you were building, that you have imagined to be your future with complete surety, it's not gonna happen. And it's more difficult because it's not something external, it's just the other person doesn't have the courage to hold on, and they have already given up and pulled back, and they are not the same person that you fell in love with or got into the relationship with. So you need to let go because what other option do you have? But the relationship taught me a lot of things. He taught me what love is. He taught me what being loved is like. He taught me what being in love is like. He taught me what loving someone is like. He taught me what being at home is like, and he taught me what comfort is like at the end of the day. Taught me a lot, yeah. He shaped me into the person that I am today, and I am very grateful for that. It is not easy letting go of something that I have so desperately wanted, that I so desperately wanted to be real.